Okay, as you probably can see, I'm not as my in my regular blue background. That's the reason. Yeah, I'm gonna give you the reason right after this important message. And the message is, yeah, sorry. If you're wondering why, it's been because in my every video I have about, I don't know, maybe one time said fuck you audience, but I haven't mean that. I seriously haven't mean that in any way offending. It was just a joke, and I realize now it was fucking stupid. Actually, my friend realized it, and then I realized it from him because I'm an asshole. But yeah, that's not the point. It was stupid, and I apologize for it. And I had made a longer and much better and cooler video, but yeah, fuck it. It got destroyed because it got fucked up by too much special effects. Yeah, this sounds really stupid. I haven't even made an intro. I promise I'll have an intro for tomorrow, but today it's gonna be like 2 minutes vlog. 1 minute staring contest. Yeah, no, that's stupid. This is the shortest vlog I probably ever made. Yeah, and yeah, thank you. And okay, that was about it. That was about it. Yeah, once again, sorry, and subscribe. It would mean a world to me. It would seriously be so good if you would subscribe. Just hit that little button, please. It would be world to me. I'm not pressuring. You don't have to if you think I'm an asshole, because I think I'm an asshole. Yeah, I've been really depressed lately. But anyway, subscribe. It would mean a world to me. See you tomorrow. Bye.